na imbag nga rabii ay ayatek nga kailyan, maragsakanap ang makita kay makadwa kayo amin dito'y apo. First of all, I would like to say that we also have to congratulate and thank the Ilocos Norte tourism team led by Mix, Ayan, Raquel for staging this whole thing. I would like to commend you for your hard work and creativity and preparing this beautiful light setup at the Capitol. Also, aside from that, I would like to congratulate them for the successful staging of the Himala sa Buhang in the past 2 nights. So medyo wala pa talagang tulog sila. So after this, pwede na kayo matulog kasi holiday naman bukas. So ito nga rabii, as we light up our provincial capital, we officially begin the most wonderful time of the year, which is this joyful season in Ilocos Norte, jointly with the city government of Lawag, led by Mayor James Brian Alcid, who stands with us in bringing the Christmas spirit to our Kakailyans. There is something truly special about the Ilocano Christmas. Wherever we go, there's always that tug in the heart that always says, I want to be home for Christmas. Especially for our OFWs and the Ilocano families that are abroad this season. There is a longing in their hearts, a deep wish to return and celebrate the holiday in the Ilocano way. And this year, we also celebrate something that is very close to the identity of Ilocanos, our rich marine life and the season of abundant catch for our mangalaps. Our seas sustain us and keep our traditions alive. That is the decor of our Christmas tree for this year. For many of our Kakailyans abroad, the memory of the fresh catch and coastal flavors brings comfort and strengthens their desire to come home. But homecomings also remind us of a greater responsibility. Every family left behind carries a silent hope that one day leaving home will no longer be the only option for a better life. That is why when I became your governor, I carried with me a dream to make Ilocos Norte the green pasture, the land of opportunity where no Ilocano will feel compelled to go abroad just to provide for their family. Together, we will continue shaping a province that offers not only beauty, but stability, livelihood, and hope. As we enjoy the lights tonight, may we also remember the true essence of the season, and that is the birth of Jesus Christ. Beyond the festivities and the pasalubongs, we honor the birth of Jesus Christ, whose love guides us toward kindness, unity, and hope. May His light shine in our homes and communities. And so with that, intayon, Paskwa Mititoy, Ilocos Norte. Naragsak ang Paskwa, kanagasat ang baro at tawet kailan. Diyos unay